Got some old pallets lying around? Why not build yourself a compost bin? Sounds simple, right? Let's just say it wasn't quite that easy. But after some trial and error, I made it work. So let's get into it. Hello everyone, so I'm back at the greenhouse and I've got a few projects today. On the weekend we were moving some timber around. I have these pallets to unload from the trailer. And there's quite a few of them here. I'm gonna move them over behind the greenhouse somewhere. So let's get to that. Hi everyone and welcome to Heather's Backyard. After moving from Canada to Ireland in 2024, we've been busy exploring the stunning landscapes of County Donegal while also working towards our dream of living off the land. Recently, I've been focused on greenhouse projects as I don't want to miss the gardening window here in Ireland. I've been busy with setting up the greenhouse, planting seeds, and getting things ready for the growing season, with this week's project being a pallet compost system. That's the trailer empty, and we'll just get these ones back. It's a few days later and I'm ready to build my pallet compost bin. It's a little bit misty outside today, so we'll see how much I get done. It's 360 long, 3 meters, 60 centimeters long, and I think that might be the best placement for it. Not much before we go into the ditch. Maybe a little bit of space, right? It winds up here. So if I put those cinder blocks there at the edges, then that should hold the pallets steady, keep them from falling backwards. I might have to double it up here, and then I'll put one over here. As I was moving in this cornerstone, it really started to rain, so I decided to come back again another day. You know, I had originally planned to have this compost bin run this direction, but I feel like it's too close to the ditch. And I was trying to build a 3-bay system, but I was gonna kind of cut enough my axes to want to be able to get in with a wheelbarrow nice and easy. But I do have this big pallet, it just needs one little repair. And I can actually set it in over there, like that nice big long compost bin. So I might do that. I'm gonna try that and see with a 2-bay system instead of a 3-bay system. And then I can still get in with the quad if I need to. Take out some compost. Right. Give that a go. I gotta dig a trench over here. Right where those blocks are. And remove the blocks, and then I'll set this one into the ground So then it's the same height as that other one. So there's two things I need to do. I want to level up that block there, and I need to fix this pallet first before I can move it in. So I think I'm gonna fix the pallet first. Do that. Get these nails out. I had to leave the project for the day as something else came up, but I'm back the next day, ready to get this thing assembled. How's that look? That's not bad. Hey, it looks good. There's nothing holding it together. So I'm going to use some of this fishing rope that I salvaged from the beach in one of my beachcombing videos. Hey, that actually doesn't look too bad. So the wind kept blowing my pallets over on me. It was funny because I only managed to capture one of them falling on camera. I ended up swapping the medium-sized pallet over to the right-hand side just because the height worked better with the taller pallet. Let's get this thing all tied together before more pallets fall over. Too bad the wind was, or too bad I didn't have the camera recording. It because the wind blew that over. Hey everyone, so it's actually starting to come together, which I'm impressed by. I just need a few more. I want to tie these with paracord, get them attached, and then I'm going to tie one at the back as well here. And you're probably asking why I'm not using brackets or bolts. I want to be able to remove these 3 center pieces, and then I can... The gloves are blowing away on me as I'm talking. I want to be able to remove these 3 center pieces, and then I can turn the bed into that side. And then add the fresh stuff over here, and then add the other stuff partially. And then I think we're going to expand, once it gets some more pallets, I'm going to expand out here and do a 3rd bay. Then I can have fresh at the back, move it over, and then move over the finished stuff. That could be for the finished compost. So anyways, coming together. I'm going to get these last paracords tied. At the front. Whoop! Stuck in the mud. It's funny. Okay, that's it finished for now. I actually it's not finished. I'm gonna put these 3 rebar stakes in through the center at the front here, just to secure it a little bit more. But I'm pretty happy with that. It turned out all right. Just get these rebar ones in, and then that'll be it. It's time to start filling it up. I'm adding a layer of cardboard on the bottom, and then I'll add in the kitchen scraps. Look at that. Little like spider egg sack. Ugh. Well, it's going in here anyways. And I also have eaten microgreens tray. Good cocoa core roots in there. Awesome. And I do have Another layer of compost or cardboard I'm going to put on top just for now, just to keep it from blowing around. There's a big gust of wind comes along. And that is just to cover it up so it doesn't blow around. And I'm going to put something on top there. Perfect. Hey everyone, so I can't believe this is done. I've only got a 2-bay system. I originally wanted a 3-bay system, but I'm gonna need to get some more pallets. And yeah, first load of material in here. You see an apple kind of snuck its way out, but it turned out pretty good. And so I'm going to put the fresh kitchen scraps in this side, and then on this side will be the side I turn it to. And then we'll see, I've got the brick in place, might eventually build a 3rd bay, but I need to get some more pallets for that. And yeah. But thank you everyone for watching, and yes, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Your support helps the channel grow. And thank you everyone, and I will see you next time. Bye!